Today on the Road Glide, we're installing not one, but two Baja Designs LP6 headlights. Straight out of the box, you can just tell that these lights are super high quality. And in my opinion, the black casing with the yellow lens really just sets this light apart, and it's gonna give the bike a super unique look. And to make the install even easier, we have the installation bracket and wiring harness from Cali Raised Moto. Comes with all the mounting hardware for my bike. Now that we got everything unboxed, let's get this installed. This definitely isn't supposed to come off in one piece, but okay. This thing. All right, here's an update. I kind of quit filming because, well, it's hard to work on bikes and film at the same time, but we ended up taking the tank off to run this wiring harness through this channel that all the other wires are running through. And then this wiring harness comes up, and that's what goes into the lights. So now that that's done, all we have to do is just connect positive to positive, negative to negative, and then this bracket goes here, the lights go into that bracket. Of course, you gotta connect all your connections there. And then from there, you're pretty much just buttoning up, putting back together what you've already taken off. So we're doing good. So we've got this bracket on. All we really have to do is get our lights, get those plugged in. Lights just kind of line up.
You're just gonna test fit them first?
Yeah, so just gonna kind of test fit them, get them lined up.
Dude, those are gonna look so good.
Close.
Is it all buttoned up?
Well, let's just make sure we did it right.
Those are bright.
Wrong button.
Oh my goodness.
One more and then we just gotta put it back together.
All right.
We finished the install and I'm so stoked on how this turned out. It looks so good. So without further ado, here's the reveal. That's going to be it for today's video. Short and sweet, but if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.